Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna show you how you can re-enable Kindle's default store after jailbreaking. So as we know that this jailbreak, winter break and other jailbreaks previously released like language break, all of these used Mesquito for this jailbreak process. So Mesquito is actually a web application framework, so that actually enabled the jailbreak. So when you are installing jailbreak, you are actually using Mesquito with an app inside that, and the function of the Mesquito is to replace the Kindle's actual store and then replace it with a custom store where you can launch different web applications. And with the Mesquito you can jailbreak your Kindle as well as you can install different types of apps in it. So most of the people only jailbreak their Kindle for using co-reader, and if you don't install any other homebrew apps using Mesquito framework, then you might not need the Mesquito framework anymore, and maybe you want to download your books from the Amazon store, and that's why you want to re-enable the store. And this is the process I'm going to show you how you can do it. And before that, you must remember that you have to actually disable the OTA update feature on your Kindle, because since you are going to internet to download books from Amazon store, Amazon might actually push any new updates and you might lose your jailbreak and you might not be able to jailbreak it again. So I recommend you to go to my YouTube channel, and there's a video on how you can disable the OTA updates on your jailbroken Kindle, and you have to do that first. So I'm gonna show it how you can do it. I mean how you can remove Mesquito and then re-enable the Kindle's default store. Right now it's supporting Mesquito, as you can see. So this is the Mesquito winter break app inside Mesquito store. So for this, we have to do is we have to actually connect our Kindle to the computer via USB connection. And now that it is connected, let's go to my computer screen. Okay, as you can see, this is the winter break folder. You remember we used this folder contents to jailbreak our Kindle. We actually moved all the contents of this folder inside our Kindle's root directory to get the jailbreak work. So from here you can see this is the Mesquito framework folder, and this is the apps of Mesquito, and this is the active content sandbox, which actually replaces the Kindle's default cache for the store. So we have to delete these folders inside our Kindle's root directory. So for this we have to open our Kindle, and since we are connected to the computer, we have to go to the Kindle and then active content sandbox. So we will mark it, and then we will mark the apps folder, and then we have to mark the Mesquito folder. So since all these folders are marked, we will delete this. Okay, now that they are deleted, we will disconnect our Kindle from the computer. Okay. Now it is disconnected, and what we have to do is we have to go to the store, and as you can see, still the Mesquito is enabled because it had the cache. So now we have to reboot our Kindle. So we are gonna go to settings and then device options and then restart. Okay, now wait for the Kindle to restart. Okay, I'm gonna skip the video. Okay, now that it is done restarting, I'm gonna click on the store again. It should flash the store cache. And now if we connect to Wi-Fi, as you can see, it's updating our store experience and it should take less than a minute. Let's wait. Well, it says the store actually encountered an unexpected error. Go to home, go to store again. Let's wait for the store to load. Okay, now that we are in our store, as you can see, we have the store. We can go to the Audible store. So everything is working perfectly and we have got back our store. Now check our co-reader and QL is working or not. Okay, so this is the QL menu, and then if we go into co-reader and then start co-reader, so our co-reader is starting, and then we want to open a book. Okay, so everything is fine. Our jailbreak is here and we have already got back our store. So this is the video. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.